beautiful 2021 Carrera S. Beautiful chalk color on this one. It is in getting a full body PPF. So if we look over here, this GT3 Touring has the satin PPF or matte PPF. Whole body on this one. So basically doing what this car has to this car. We're gonna keep the gloss chalk. I honestly prefer the gloss a little better. It has that depth and shine, although I do have to admit it looks awesome on this GT3 Touring. The biggest thing we're doing for this car is protecting the carbon fiber roof. Something like this, it's not very sloped, but you can still pick up rock chips here and here. Very excited to have this one in protected. We're protecting the carbon fiber with PPF on mirror caps as well. This one's gonna be here all week, so very excited to get it in, protected for this owner. This is his second Porsche that he's brought to us. He trusted us with the first, so this one's getting even more services than the last one did. So the PPF project is finished. We did full body on this. Carbon roof was the last thing to go on, the absolute most important parts. Had a good friend with an M4 GTS. His carbon fiber roof got saved by stacked PPF. The biggest thing about the Dyno Shield PPF is its self-healing property, super hydrophobic exterior qualities. It also has a 10-year warranty, so it's one of the best warranties in the industry. Obviously the product speaks for itself, but let's just take a look at this.